In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on or off safe mode on Samsung phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say any of your apps are bugging or your whole system is bugging, so you want to restart your phone in safe mode. It's actually very easy to do. So what you want to do is restart your phone, but with a twist. So what we're going to do is hold down our power button and our volume up button, or our volume down button, depending on what phone you have. And then eventually you're going to see this screen where it has power off, restart, emergency SOS call, and medical info. What we want to do though is press power up, but before we press it, we want to hold down on it. When you hold down on it, it's going to look like this. It's going to say safe mode. It's going to say tap again to restart your phone in safe mode. Downloaded apps will temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. So all you want to go ahead and do is go into safe mode. So just press it again, and then it's going to go into safe mode. It's going to restart. Any theme you have might also reset as well. And then I'll show you how to turn it off as well.
So to turn off safe mode, there's actually a very simple method. For one, you could just restart your phone if you want to by pressing your power button and your volume down button, then just pressing restart. But if you don't want to do that, on the top left, you just want to swipe down. Then as you can see, it's going to say safe mode is on. It says tap here to turn off safe mode. It says your phone will restart and all your apps will be available again. Then you're just going to turn it off, but just bear in mind, your phone is going to restart when you do this. And then once you open it again, that safe mode icon on the bottom left is going to be gone and all your apps are going to be accessible again.